Hi, I'm Rahul. The only thing you need to know about me is that I've always been obsessed about wanting to do a solo trip across Europe. And now it's finally happening. But I've only got 30 minutes to pack. 30 minutes feels like a lifetime. Let's do this. First things first, my itinerary. We start with Lisbon, Portugal. There's some good flight options and it's only a 5-hour time difference. So jet lag won't be a problem. I hate jet lag. Then I'm doing Barcelona, Amsterdam, Berlin, and finally Interlaken, Switzerland. You know what? I've been saving up for this trip for a long time and I'm very excited. But we gotta roll because the clock is ticking. So let's get packing. First up is Lisbon, Portugal. 3 days of sunny beaches and beers everywhere. So when we walk around that place, I will require my sneakers, a few t-shirts, a nice shirt for LX Factory, my swimming trunks for every beach that I visit, and finally, sunscreen. Good start. Next up, 4 days in Barcelona. For that, I'm going to require socks, more tees, definitely more sunscreen. With all the walking around, my step count is going to be on fire. Messy mil gaya to? Anyway, after this, we are going to my favorite part in the entire trip, Amsterdam, Netherlands. For that, I'm only going to require a lot more shorts. For a lot of cycling that we do over there, this Euro trip seems more like a cardio trip. You know what? For like 15 minutes of packing, it looks quite efficient, just like the Germans are, because that's where I'm going next. 3 more nights in Berlin, and I only have one agenda over there, clubbing. So all I'm taking are my clubbing shirts, and maybe just one sweater in case. Lastly, the final city in my entire Euro trip, Interlaken, Switzerland, where I'm spending 2 nights. You know what? Let's make this a little filmy, because my name is Rahul, and naam to suna hoga. I'm only carrying my lucky shirt because you know what if I walk into a set and I catch my big break? And finally, something to keep me warm. And I think we're done with my Euro trip packing. So Europe, here I come. I got my passport, my sunglasses, check, check, check. Wait, what's my baggage limit?